Done with A surface. Okay. Now we will take a new geometrical set, Alt IG B underscore surface. Now check your screenshot. What is the task? Redesign missing patch done means final A surface we have created. Offset of 2.5 mm, then B surface. So to create B surface, we have one input 2.5 mm. Okay, so we will use offset command. Here is offset command. We have taken a new geometrical set B surface. Select the surface. What is the value?
2.5.
It should be inside or outside?
Sir, inside.
It should be inside. Click on OK. See, I got inside surface of 2.5 offset. End out. See, here you have sharp edge. Okay, that means if your A surface is not good, you will face same issue in your B surface as well. So the good practice is design your A surface perfectly. Otherwise, you will have to rework on A surface as well as you will have to rework on B surface. Completely waste of time. Okay. Next, done with B surface. I think in B surface we don't have any issue. Now let's take C surface. Alt IG C surface. So B surface is very simple. No. Right now in this assignment it is simple. Why? Because after offset of 2.5 you don't have any missing patch. You don't have any bad patches. That's why it is simple now. Now in C surface. So what is C surface? Let's change the color. B surface, apply blue. A surface, select this one. Let's apply color light brown, this one. Now C surface. So what is C surface? C surface means the connecting surface of A surface and B surface will be C surface. Clear? Now here you can see there is gap between blue and brown. There is a gap between this cylinder, blue and brown. So let's try to close this one. So how to close? So shall we apply blend 1, 2? Then here I can apply fill command. What do you think? How will you close this gap? Can you use multi-section, blend, fill, sweep?
Blend, sir. Blend is best.
Blend is best. So how will you apply blend, Deepak?
बाउंड्री लेके पूरा करना है सर दोनों तरफ.
Okay, let's apply a boundary on blue edge. Click on OK. Let's apply boundary of brown edge. Click on OK. So in blend, there is one trick. If number of point on first blend curve is equal to the number of point on the second curve of blend, then you can use blend command with vertices. So what is vertices? Vertices means apply blend. Here you have first curve, here you have second curve. How many points are there on first curve and second curve? Can you see some points on turnings?
8 points, sir.
2, 2, 2, 2. 8 points on first curve as well as on second curve. Tell me, the points are equal?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
points are equal. Okay, so go to coupling. Instead of ratio, click on see what is the purpose of ratio and what is the purpose of ratio? Ratio means it will connect these points randomly. If you select in coupling, where is coupling? This one. Now it is in ratio. Keep it in vertices. Means if you have equal number of points on both curve, CATIA will automatically connect that points. The condition is your first point of first curve should be aligned with the second point of second curve. Tell me, is it aligned now? This is the first starting point. First point means here. Second point is here. Is it okay? Or this point should be here?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
So right click on the second point, click on replace, select this point. Now
Yes,
see,
sir.
the first curve first point is aligned with second curve second point. Do we need tangency of blue and brown? Is there any need of tangency?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, I think so.
No, so we'll not provide any support first and second. Just click on OK. Done. Simple. Yes. Put it in edge mode. Patches will be visible. See, perfectly patch. Done. See surface done. Now bottom. This one. What you will do over here?
Sir, fill.
Fill. For which surface we will use fill command? Swajit.
So we use um, spline command to join the edges and use fill command.
Which edges? These two edges? 1, 2.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Spline. Then I think to join these two, we don't want spline. We can use line command directly.
Sir, we cannot use blend command for this to joining.
Let's try. Blend. This curve with this
Bound.
one. Okay. And where is my closing point? These are the closing point. Preview. Done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done. Now, okay. Instead of blend, you can do one thing. Let's apply fill command for the outer circle like this. Click on OK. Now I will split the circle with help of this edge. Select the edge. Done. Yes or no?
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
ओके सर, ये भी कर सकते हैं.
Yes. The condition is this edge should be in contact with this fill surface. Okay?
नहीं, अगर कांटेक्ट में नहीं होता फिर भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना, एक्स्ट्रापोलेट
No,
कर
no.
सकते हैं ना उसको.
Huh, you can use extrapolate. I think we missed that command extrapolate. Yes? We missed one command extrapolate. Okay? So right now we learn join command. We have not used fill command. We have not used untrim. We have not used disassemble. We have not used extrapole. Extrapole is very important. Okay? We will do this. Yes, Joyjit. If it is not in contact, you can use extrapole. You will extrapole the blue surface, then you will split it. Okay? Joyjit,
ओके
clear?
सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
Now, see, we have done this. Now, I think there is no gap. It is complete a closed surface. So again, we will add one geometry set Alt IG, final, close, volume or surface. Okay, final close surface. What we'll do? Let's hide this curve. Hide, hide. Apply join. Select one surface. Put value 0.03. Right click on this. Say distance propagation. Done. Yes or no?
Yes,
Click
sir.
on
यस सर.
OK. Apply a single color. If you want to apply, make it again, make it blue. Done. Okay, so you have to check whether the close, see this is your final close surface. So there should not be a small gap, 0.001 mm, 0.01 mm. No, not allowed. So sir, how to check whether there is any gap or not? There is one trick.
Boundary.
Take boundary
Boundary.
command, click on the surface. You should get this error, update error. Body is closed, it has no boundaries. That means there is no open gap. Means click on OK. Perfectly done. Okay. Now Alt IB. We will take a body. Right click O. Rename this as a final. close volume, go to part design, start mechanical design, part design. We are in part design now. We will use the same command, close surface. Click on this one. Join 11 means our final closed surface, this one. Click OK. Hide the surface now. Got it? A solid body.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the second topic in your MNC's OEM design test, close volume. Clear, simple, Control S. Shall I share this file?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
GSD close volume dump 1, exercise 1. See what we have done. Redesign mismatch missing patches, this we have done. For B side we have offset value 2.5 mm. B side we have done. We have created C surfaces, means merging B surface and A surface. Okay. Then a close volume. Done. I'm sharing this file with you. Date modified. This one. Okay. Now you have same input like this. Task will be same, but you have these 3 files. You have to do same exercise on these 3 files. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have some issues, you can share the screenshots. You can just drop the message. Okay. And if you have done the close volume, please share the screenshots as well. For Diwali, if you want tomorrow holiday, you can vote here. If you
Holiday,
want
sir.
2 days holiday on 21 22, you can vote both date. If you want 3 days holiday, vote all 3 days. No issue. We'll plan accordingly. Anyhow, you have the assignments. You can finish it in these 3 days if you have some time. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? Wish you happy Diwali all.
Same to you, sir.
Happy
Happy
Diwali,
Diwali,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
happy
Yes.
Diwali everyone. Okay.
Well, sir.
Happy Diwali.
So next time Diwali में हम will be in design domain. Okay. Promise everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
next Diwali will be in design. MNC or OEM. Let's target MNC and OEMs. Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Let's stop the session. See you in next session. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank,
Enjoy.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you all. Bye.